شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك.
The month of Dhul Hijjah is one of the holiest months of the year. It is in that month that the Prophet delivered his last sermon. Also in this month, Muslims from all over the world travel to Mecca to complete the pilgrimage. The pilgrimage is one of the 5 pillars of every Muslim shahada.
There are 5 important days of Hajj. During these days, Muslims journey to important landmarks to perform acts of worship. On the first day of Hajj, when you arrive in Mecca, you must perform a ghusl and make intention by saying, Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك.
Next, you should perform the welcome tawaf, which is to walk around the Kaaba 7 times. And you should perform the sa'i. The sa'i is the remembrance of the story of Hajra, who ran between Safa and Marwa looking for food and water for her son Ismail.
والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد.
The day after the welcome tawaf, the pilgrims leave to go to Mina. They camp out and collect rocks to store at the Jamarat. They spend the day on Arafat, praying, making dua, and remembering Allah. This day is the 9th day of Dhul Hijjah, and Mount Arafat is where the Prophet Muhammad delivered his speech nearly 1430 years ago.
It's on this day that Muslims in other countries are celebrating Eid al-Adha. They also sacrifice lamb and distribute the meat to people who are in need.
To complete the rites of Hajj, Muslims must stone the 3 Jamarat.
لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك.
Before Muslims leave Mecca to go back home, they do a farewell tawaf around the Kaaba. This is usually a very emotional time for the Muslims. Because the cost of Hajj is so expensive, many people will most likely be able to visit this holy house only once in their lifetime.
لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد